graduation crashers, it is not only my honor, but my pleasure and my privilege to stand before you tonight as the president of Norton High School's graduating class of 2014. I would like to begin by thanking everyone who helped us to earn our places on this stage tonight. Thank you to the parents and guardians who raised us, to the teachers who educated us, to the administration who guided us, and to the lunch ladies who made us the world's best cookies. Over the past 4 years, these incredible individuals who sit before you tonight have served as a boundless source of happiness. With witty comments, goofy jokes, and sarcastic remarks, these kids have brought me countless laughs and plagued me with a stubborn grin that often refuses to budge. When I look at this mob of students, I see so much more than a group of anxious teens awaiting the moment when they can gleefully toss their caps into the air and Instagram shameless selfies with the cliched caption, "We made it." I see 180 unstoppable young adults prepared to begin their curiosity-driven journeys into this majestic world of infinite possibility. Together, we have faced many seemingly insurmountable challenges, but we have learned to fight for our beliefs, to cope with negativity, and to defend our morals. We even conquered the challenge of driving over the speed bump in the parking lot, which I swear may be a contender for the highest peak north of the Mason-Dixon. Together, we have learned to strive in academics and beyond. Together, we expanded our knowledge and became educated and innovative intellectuals. We mastered the art of smuggling copies into first period, and we have become experts at sending texts without ever having our phones leave our pockets. Together, we have blessed each other with smiles and laughs. We have been transformed from naive children to mature young adults, and after 12 years of schooling, we are all prepared for one thing: a career in backpacking, assuming the scoliosis never set in, of course. Joking aside, we have all waited patiently for this night, June 6th, 2014, the night where we finally celebrate our fait accompli, our irreversible accomplishment. Normally, if I found myself dressed in a robe after 7 o'clock on a Friday night, I would take it as a sign that I had given up. Tonight, however, the meaning is quite the opposite. Tonight, these silly robes and ugly hats signify our accomplishments and our readiness for the gifts and blessings of the future. At 18 years old, I have no immense wisdom to draw from for advice, but there's one thing I have figured out. The best way to live life is with endless optimism. Life is unpredictable, wild, and breathtaking. There is so much to discover, to explore, and to experience. Each moment that you spend regretting your mistakes, moping about your misfortunes, or worrying about possibilities is a moment you could have spent laughing or even learning. Let your curiosity lead you on marvelous adventures, and allow your passion and intuition to drive your actions. Radiate happiness, for if you bring a smile to all that you do, then all that you do will bring a smile to you. Be strong and be bold, and in the wise words of Bobby McFerrin, don't worry, be happy.
Yeah.